Neena ji, Masaba, Neil, I hope most important question that friends and family are safe and healthy. That's the first question I ask anybody before I start an interview. Your
Yeah.
family is more or
Yes.
less here, Neena ji and Masaba. So you can answer that. And Neil, of course.
Yes, thank you for asking, Rishi. Everyone's safe and sound. Thank you very much for asking.
Good. Masaba, what's the toughest thing about acting? Something that Neena Gupta does so effortlessly. What did you find so tough?
Um, I think slipping into moments, slipping into more than slipping into moments, I think slipping out of them as well. I think that's what I found hard. So, just getting really riled up and angry and raising my voice or bursting into tears. I remember there was one whole scene with Neil that I did where I had to just cry, cry, cry. And I had had a really good laugh with a friend right outside. So, I think slipping into moments and out of moments is something I find really hard because it's tough. I mean, you have to reconnect, you have to kind of really go down memory lane and find some moment that makes you feel a certain way. So I think that was something that I found hard.
Neena ji, what's the toughest thing about clothes design that Masaba and House of Masaba does so effortlessly?
Uh, it is it is the business part which I find very hard. That you have to keep churning up, and वो अगर बिके नहीं तो उसका क्या होगा, and all that business part, investment, ये वो, it just not my scene. I don't understand it also. So that I find very tough, how you continue your business in this field.
Ah, that's a very valid point. Well, Neil, this suave investor guy that you play seems to be a bit of a shark at the outset, but I'm sure as the series progresses, there are going to be many more layers to him. So I want you to describe
Yeah.
him to me.
Dhairya is a sharp investor, as you said. He has never collaborated with an artist like Masaba Gupta in the world, and doesn't entirely understand how a creative process and what is the timelines it takes. He sort of thinks he does, but he doesn't. So many a times there are a few scenes where Dhairya and Masaba's character is at loggerheads. But what an awesome world! Actually, now that are chatting, and we have been talking to a few people, but it was really interesting for me to be in this world of fashion through a acting narrative, and it was just now I it's coming back to me, the boat
No,
scene where we had to
Neil, the thing is that, all of us are artists, whether it's Neena ji or you
put
or Masaba or me. And we always turn
yes,
around and say, those are the suits and ties. And why are the suits and ties getting into fashion or radio or television? But they're such an important part, isn't it? You
yes,
know?
sir. Of course. You can't have it's a natak mandali with different. If it was a circus, no, we would be working on the tightrope and juggling with fire and all of that. Each one of us artists, but we need someone who has the Rambo circus, who can book our train
So
tickets, all
basically,
the
you're saying we're all
logistics.
clowns.
All clowns. Actually, that's so
Yeah,
true.
we're all clowns, dude. It is. It is.
You funny boy. Masaba, I thought it was incredibly brave of Kiara to play a caricaturist version of herself. And you do have a few guest stars on the show. But talk about Kiara Advani in particular. Do you know her from before? Does she actually wear your creations in real life? That piece.
Actually, I know. I mean, we know each other as acquaintances. We're not really friendly, and it was. I think it was Ashwini's idea to. We definitely wanted, one a movie star, an actor to do a cameo, because that's such a big part of fashion. So I think it was Ashwini's idea to reach out to her. Because they work very closely, and she does wear my clothes. She hasn't actually. Till the show, she didn't wear my clothes, but we've always been in touch about getting her to wear my clothes. So I think the first House of Masaba and Kiara outing was on set when she was playing herself.
So what you couldn't do yourself, the show did.
The show did. Just see. Yeah.
Nina ji, because she mentioned Ashwini, for those of you who don't know, Ashwini RD is the producer of this show. Ashwini's had a prolific career in both TV and films. I know her to be incredibly smart. Do you know Ashwini from her TV days, Nina ji? And just about bit about her and your acquaintanceship or your friendship.
Yeah, I knew her about her. I knew her also, but not very well. Yeah, we met a few times, and I don't think I have worked in her production. I don't think so. But Sonam, who's the director, Sonam Nair, and Ashwini, we just got along so well. All of us, we had such fun time because she's also very funny. Sonam is also very funny. Me, Masaba, obviously very funny.
And
So
we all
we
laugh
used
at
to,
ourselves. Everyone says something funny
uh,
and then they just laugh for
yeah,
for minutes.
yeah.
Yeah.
So we had such a great time, Ashwini is always eating what? Cakes and what? Ah,
Cupcakes.
cupcakes and all. And then she's saying, I'm putting on so much weight, yeah. I think I. And then she will eat. So all of us are very
Same
funny. So
boat.
we had such a nice time. Same boat, yeah.
Yeah, Masaba is most at risk of danger here because one of her best friends makes the best cupcakes in the world, and I mean Pooja
I
Di.
Yeah.
know.
So it is
Correct.
very
I
dangerous.
I better be
The
Yeah.
cakes
careful. I
that
better be
makes
careful.
Yeah.
So since she started a conversation about Sonam, that really preempts my next question, Neil. I mean, I don't know her from Adams. I've seen Gippy, I've seen Kafir, I've seen Khujli. I just find a very interesting mind at play here. Your director Sonam, what's so unique about her approach? Now that you've seen her on set, let's speak about
Yeah.
that, Neil.
I know Sonam through my wife. They're friends, so we've before she was my director. We've
Are you
been
still
friends.
sleeping with your casting agent? Are you still sleeping with your casting
Yes,
agent?
yes, and that joke will haunt me for the rest of my life.
Sorry, I had to do that. I know it's below the belt. I'm sorry.
I suddenly feel alive. Thank you.
Yeah.
But Sonam Nair, the best thing about her is her sense of humor. Even if you don't know her and you just read a post, which will be one line, but it'll be so funny, and there'll be a few layers to
Yeah.
what she
Yeah.
puts up. So I'm very intrigued by the person she is and the sense of humor that she has. And thanks to like the collaboration of Masaba, Sonam Nair, and Ashwini ji's their entire like sense of humor, and as artists, now you get to see it all come together like a proper creation. You know.
Masaba, I want to understand the writing of this series. Did somebody sit with you with a tape recorder in their hand? You narrated episodes from them, and then they recreated it? I mean, take me through the process because I find it really fascinating. The fact that you and Nina ji play versions of yourself so close to reality. So, did that happen? The tape recorder and conversation?
That happened. Lots of food happened. And lots of beer happened. That's how this series has come to life. No, so we would just sit in my house or mom's house, and there were three writers apart from Sonam. So the four of them, Ashwini, me, mom, and the producer, and we would just sit, and I would just keep throwing away things that I felt were interesting to be played out on screen. Before the whole process, I actually sat down and put down a whole list of people that I know who are in my life who would make really fun characters or whose personalities would add, as really fun sort of characteristics, onto screen. So I just remember that, and I think it was 6, 7, 8 sessions back to back where we would just me and mom would say, you know what, this is something important to say. Does this have a message? Okay, this is just for fun. It'll be something that'll be light and easy to watch. So we just kept chucking these things, and there was a tape recorder, of course, and they just picked up whatever they felt was relevant. And of course, from there, I said, there are also things I know that haven't happened to me but have happened to others, so wo bhi dal dete hain. So I think that was the crux of the whole process,
क्या बोलते
basically.
हैं ना, बहती गंगा में हाथ धो, चलो दूसरों
धो
को
लो,
हाँ,
बचाओ.
हाँ. हुआ है तो मतलब डाल दो.
Nina ji, any points that you felt कि ये नहीं दिखाना चाहिए था, ज़्यादा हो गया? I mean, sometimes we're a little cagey about our personal lives. Or did you give Sonam Nair full shoot to show whatever she could dig into?
No, we were very careful because if we are talking about our friends and people we know, like if we are talking, there's a character of my husband also in the series, and so we have to be very careful that there is no, we are respectful to them, and we don't uh, demean them, so that was taken care to quite some extent. Yeah, we all sat, me and Masaba, all of us, and we wherever we thought कि नहीं ये थोड़ा उसको नीचा दिखाता है तो हम नहीं ये करेंगे, तो उसकी जगह कुछ और कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. So we were very careful not to hurt anybody who's our close person.
That's actually a very sweet, sensitive thing to say. I mean, more than you worrying about your own reputation or Masaba's reputation, you guys were sitting and thinking about your friends, your colleagues, your family. That's incredibly sweet. So,
और
Neil,
हमें
it's a
मेरी
large
तो खराब, मेरी सुनो, मेरी तो रेपुटेशन खराब है ही, मुझे अब चिंता ही नहीं है. दर्द का हद से गुजरना है, दवा हो जाना.
यही तो चक्कर,
मुझे
आपको
अब कोई
एहसास ही
चिंता
नहीं है.
नहीं.
आपको एहसास ही नहीं है कि आपने कितने कितने लोगों को इंस्पायर किया है, और आपका ये जो बिंदास एटीट्यूड है ना, आप कहते हो कि मेरी रेपुटेशन खराब है. हाउ मच पीपल रिस्पेक्ट. अभी मेरी धर्मपत्नी बोल रही थी बिफोर दिस इंटरव्यू कि नीना गुप्ता से बोलना कि आई लव हर टू बिट्स. सो
Oh,
you
thank you so
you
much. Thank you,
inspired
thank
and
you.
encouraged the whole generation, Neena ji, and that's what we love about you. Neil,
Thank you.
it's a large cast. Now, apart from the three of you, who else did you enjoy with working on the set, off it? I mean, I've seen so many people I've recognized, Sattu, Gajraj, all these people. So talk about the extended cast.
Satu, Gajraj, Ritasha, we'd all hang out when we weren't shooting. Most of our scenes were me trying to get on Masaba Gupta's case in terms of like,
Case,
come
huh?
on, yeah, forgive. But yeah, man, every time the phone rings, it throws my
Yeah.
train of
Yeah,
thought.
which means you're
I'm
really in the
sorry.
moment, which is good. Yeah, yeah,
Sir.
go. So yeah,
So
just people that you vibe with well on the set. I mean, even if you don't have a relationship outside, that's you can just talk about, because these are a very interesting
Sonam Nair,
ensemble of actors.
वो तो है, बात तो सही है. It's the vibe on set is way more cozier, and especially because it's this new, because you're putting up a show and a narrative which borrows from real life and real and fashion. You're taking from these three, making a Venn diagram. You are free to set the culture that you want to set in terms of your work culture. Although, fortunately, we were blessed to have a really good one where everybody would work, 101% and finish on time also. Isn't that right? I mean,
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
everything seemed
totally.
to go like clockwork, yeah?
Masaba, I just love the end of the trailer. Has that happened to you ever? I mean, somebody showing you a
Yeah.
design they ripped off without you knowing it?
So
Yes.
this has actually happened in Lajpat Nagar in Delhi, and there was a whole rack of these prints, including a WhatsApp icon or something. I don't know where that print came from. I've never made a print like that. Some really ugly ones. Like now, people just assume that if there's a rickshaw or there's any quirky print, it's a Masaba print. But this happened with a shopkeeper in Lajpat Nagar, and I said, "I am Masaba. Like, why are you selling my own stuff to me?" He said, "No, what are you talking about? It's a country, you know." So it's actually happened, and I think this was one of the first few things that I actually shared with Sonam and Ashwini. I said this has to be in the series because it is. People will not believe it, but the thing is, whenever I say Masaba, they are like, "कहाँ से हैं आप? मतलब कहाँ से ये नाम आया है?" So they assume कि कोई country है जहाँ पे कोई जाता नहीं है. But you don't get a ticket there, but it's a country.
Rishi, please
What do you say,
forgive me
Neil?
for cutting and asking a question. But Nina ji, what is the story of how did you all decide to name Masaba, and why did
No,
Masaba
no.
come
This
about?
no. This name was given by her father to her,
Right.
and this is a name of a African princess in their mythology. And when
Wow.
he told me this name. On phone, like he said this name.
Right.
I looked at Masaba. I said, just correct. It just suits her so
Ah,
much. Yeah.
Because
Beautiful.
before that, I was going to be named Chanda, guys. Just FYI. Just saying.
I love this.
It's
No.
much. It's
No,
greater
no.
to reply to present ma'am to Masaba in school than present ma'am to.
Chanda.
No disrespect to the Chandas who are listening. But yeah,
Sorry,
that's a good one.
Chandas. We love you.
Yeah. Nina ji, this girl they have found to play the little version of Masaba. My God, she's incredible. I saw her in the promo and the trailer. Just a little
Amazing.
about her. The look, at least, it must have reminded you of the younger Masaba.
No, she was. मेरे अभी आप बोल रहे हैं ना रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं. And I have taken so many pictures of her, and she will come a lot in the series. And Masaba and her both wear the same clothes in the series. She is so cute. And when I saw her, I said, "This is really Masaba," Mini Masaba we used to call her. And she's very cute, and she does good acting also. It's a big surprise. I mean, she's a big surprise for me in the series, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she's lovely. I'm keen to
yeah.
know, are you wearing your own creations on the show, Masaba? If not, then who's done the clothes and the styling for the series?
So the styling has been done by Eka Lakhani and her team, because I was very clear that I didn't want to style the show because then I would not be able to focus on the part of acting it out. So I was clear that we needed a stylist. But the clothes are a mix of my brand. I've worn a lot of Anamika Khanna, who I love. I've worn a lot of young new labels because I thought that I wanted to, also empower them and labels that have just started off, because I didn't want this whole show to look like a promotion for House of Masaba.
As it
So
is,
it
his
was
name
very
twice over
important.
after you.
वैसे ही है मसाबा मसाबा and House of Masaba. So I said बहुत overkill हो जाएगा, and I don't want it to look like a cheap marketing gimmick. But जहाँ पे I saw a fit, I wore my clothes. जहाँ पे I didn't see a fit, I wore the person who would make the next best thing. So yeah.
Yeah. Neil, it's a little unfair of me to ask Nina ji about what she thinks of Masaba's performance. But personally, I mean, the little bit that I've seen, I mean, just 2 episodes and a trailer, and I didn't expect it at all. I said, what is this girl going to do as far as acting is concerned? And she's absolutely stunned me. What do you think of her performance as a person I mean, you've done so much theater, radio, cinema. Your honest thoughts on Masaba's performance?
Thank you for asking that one. I feel Masaba Gupta is at an advantage showcasing her performance at this time in 2020, because the rhythm of performance keeps changing, whether based on technology also that is being shot. Pehle film, us tarah ke cameras, a lot of mid shots, long shots. Um, Social media plays a very important role. We are so used to seeing human beings behave in a very natural manner. Once people watch Facebook videos, people watch Instagram videos, so you see a human being behave in their natural rhythm. At the same time, now in something fictional, you have to rehearse it to such an extent and make it look कि भाई बहुत comfortable है given this technology. So what I'm saying is and I'm aware of maybe the past 10 years, 10 to maximum 15 years of technology and industry that has evolved. This for Masaba is the best time to sort of step onto the platform and be a performing artist as well, because she can showcase everything that she has observed and learned and experienced into a effortless performance, which is
So you're saying that
brand
she's
new.
natural. That's
Doesn't
what
have
you're
the
trying to say. You're
baggage of
saying it's
that kind of,
yeah.
sir, say a natural.
So
Yes.
you're saying she's natural and she doesn't let any baggage play out when she's
Yeah,
performing. That's what you're
yeah,
saying.
yes. I
That's a
also
very
feel with actors, kahin baar the rhythm of performance is hard to get out of, because she doesn't have the baggage of that. This is brand new.
interesting point. All mother-daughter relationships are special, Nina ji. I mean, there's no doubt about it. But yours is unique in the sense that both of you are public personalities. Often it's not often that both are. What is so unique about this particular mother-daughter relationship? Because you've lived in the public eye for so long.
The very special thing about our relationship and our situation is that We are very honest to each other. Very, very honest. And in spite of being good friends, we have a line as mother daughter also. These two things are very unique and important for us.
Oh, beautifully answered. Now, I'm not going to ask Neena ji this, Masaba, because for a mother, just sitting in the same room with a child is just special enough. But what is it that you most like to do together when Neena ji and you are together? I mean, what is it? Is it travel, hanging
I
out? Is it
I know,
conversation? What is it that you like doing together?
I know.
Shopping.
Shopping. Yeah.
Shopping.
Lajpat Nagar, Sarojini Nagar, Fashion Street.
लाजपत मतलब जहां
We,
भी डाल दो, just put us away from a man. A man should not enter this picture. We should be left to ourselves and just shop for 5 hours. बीच में खाने का break मिल जाए तो is great, but that's it. That's what we enjoy doing
yeah,
very much.
Basically,
yeah,
when you
yeah,
still have partners in your respective lives, you just tell them कि भाई कहीं चले जाओ, कि खाना वाना खा लो, हाँ, और
हाँ,
फलाने 4-5 घंटे बाद आ
yeah,
जाना.
yeah,
4-5
yeah.
घंटे बाद रात को मिलेंगे. अभी ये सुबह हमारा शॉपिंग टाइम है. Because
हाँ,
don't sit on our head and say अरे now what this so late whatever.
हाँ,
Just
हाँ.
let us be.
नहीं, and another line ना that अरे इतना तो है, इसकी क्या जरूरत है? अरे इतनी तो साड़ियां हैं, इसकी क्या जरूरत है? वो yeah.
Masaba, these are tough times for a lot of businesses, especially fashion, because a lot of fashion is about brick and mortar stores, trials, fittings. Have you amped up the online route for House of Masaba? And if so, how's that going? Let's talk about your primary profession.
So, fortunately, in Feb this year, we were actually working on our website from November last year. It's always been around since 2015, but it wasn't a website that was an experience. It wasn't something that people would necessarily like to shop on because the focus was always on the stores. But since November last year, we were working at making it a better experience. And in Feb this year, we just somehow it all came together and we said, okay, now we have a website that is going to work and that people will like. And sure enough, the lockdown happened from March. So I don't know, it was a blessing in disguise that I suddenly one day woke up and said, I want to make the online store stronger and better. And we also, we were meant to take up a new office, a large office space, which was on a huge rental.
Wow.
And for some reason, it didn't work out just before the lockdown. And it was great. I mean, I think the online space has kicked in. I used to always believe that my clothes are such that needed to be touched and felt and worn to be bought. But log kharid rahe hain online, which is great. They're buying it from the US, they're buying it from Dubai, they're buying it from everywhere, from India, and it's been great. I mean, we have shut 2 stores permanently, which is because of the COVID-19 effect. But I mean, मुझे tension नहीं है अभी. मेरे को बहुत थी March April में that how will this business survive in this format. But I think brick and mortar is not required anymore. People have warmed up to the idea of shopping online. But I have to say, Indians think of shopping as an event. ओके, इंडियन फैमिली साथ में जाती है शॉपिंग में, मतलब जो हो जाए सबको
It's an experience.
इकट्ठा करके गाड़ी में घुसा के दे हैव टू गो बाय वन कुर्ता. इट्स दैट मेंटालिटी, and then mother will say something, then the sister will say nahi, I don't think so, then they'll come back and buy it. That to me will never change or will take time to change, which is why brick and mortar is equally important. But online is doing well. People are warming up to the idea. Young kids are buying, younger girls and boys are buying, so hopefully the change will come.
Amazing.
But it's been a hard 4 months.
Neil, as a friend of yours, I'm really happy, brother. The Riker case is out now. Masaba is up for release. You're getting your due. But the pandemic's
you.
not been easy for actors. Is there a skill
Yeah.
you picked up in lockdown, bro? I mean, anything that you worked upon during lockdown?
Sir, I enjoyed having a little bit of a trickle effect of most of the releases because it gave me something to do. I'm studying a course. I'm a wannabe intellectual, wannabe lawyer, wannabe cool dude. So there's this course called Justice, which sort of teaches you law through philosophy. And I'm more than halfway through it. So every day I have to study like 1 hour, 1.5 hours. It's really cool. So that's what, and as an actor, I'm used to living like, bro, I'll just say this, and I'm glad Meena ji is also here to cross check my fundas agar sahi hai ya galat. I have heard a lot of professional actors and how they go about their work. Consistency is what an artist needs to be able to have X number of days per this thing. My dream is to have about 75 days of shooting work and 75 days of theater work, right? So that's 150 days a year. Balance jo hai is living. So I'm used to that. I'm used to that rhythm, which has been
Nice.
treating me well
Fingers
for the
crossed
last
that
3
you're able
years.
to maintain it.
Fingers crossed, sir. And then we can hang out with the family, because that's what it's about. You treat your family like your friends and your friends like your family, and enjoy each day and be thankful. But it's
I like
cool.
that
There's enough
work-life
to do.
balance.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, I like that work-life balance. Neena ji, your friend Gajraj is in this show also. I saw a fleeting bit of him in the trailer. What
Yeah,
is he
yeah.
doing? Are you in a position to tell me what he's doing? Is it a spoiler?
Yeah, yeah.
What is
No,
it
no,
in
it's not
character?
a spoiler. It's not a spoiler. We have a sequence where I get the film Badhayo. There's a whole big sequence
Ah,
how I get
kya
Badhayo.
baat
Yeah. Yeah, it's very, very hilarious and very nice sequence, whole sequence. And then there he comes, very small cameo as a part of the shoot of Badhayo.
Yeah. Oh, that's. I
Yeah.
really look forward to that. Well,
Yeah, yeah.
last couple of questions, Masaba. You know what I love is the reality of it, the fact that people in the public eye are scared of blind items. Sometimes it's the truth. Actors in the public eye sometimes look and say कि यार दूसरे को ये रोल दे दिया किसी ने, शायद काश मुझे मिल जाता, and
Yeah,
things like that.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Neena
yeah.
ji is the prime example.
So one is playing a caricature of yourself. One is to play it over the top, which Kiara has done in a nice way. But you still have to have a mental note of कि ज़्यादा हो रहा है, over हो रहा है. How much should I react to this blind item? How much should I react to this other actors getting a role? So who did that for you on set? Did Sonam Nair do that for you? Did Neena Gupta do that for you? Or did you have a switch yourself, Masaba? Because you're a new actress, saying कि यार ये इससे ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाहिए, इसको ऐसे रखते हैं. So did you go through that at all?
Strangely, I did not.
Wow.
Uh,
That means you
yeah,
have an
now
instinct for
that you
acting.
say it, Shayad, I hope so. But now that you say it, I realize that, uh, maybe at some point Sonam would, no, actually, not at all. Now that you say it, I don't think there was ever a point where she said, ye zyada ho raha hai, ye ho raha hai, whatever. I just knew that I have to toe the line between exaggerating and being real, and that's a really tough line to be towing because sometimes you need to exaggerate things just for the dramatics of it. But
Right.
मुझे किसी ने नहीं बोला except मम्मी ने एक बार मेरे पे चिल्लाई थी right in the beginning because she thought I was overdoing it, but that was day one, so I have some I
Yeah,
get
that
that as
you can get you
consolation.
some leeway. And does that
हाँ.
happen in real life when all else fails? When all else fails, do you just come home to mama like in the series, or do you try and grapple with your problems yourself till right at the end when it's too much to handle? Some people just go to mama, and some people say, नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं अपने आप करता हूँ, and then they go to mama at the end. How does it work with you?
I think it depends. Professionally, I grapple with it till the very end and then go to her just for solace, just okay, sab theek ho jayega type. But personally, I think, actually, personally also, mom, I grappled in the end. Na? I'm not constantly like, mummy, whatever. Thank God. Yeah, yeah. I grapple till the end, and then I just go to her for that one vada pav she'll feed me, or that one something she'll feed me. I go for food. I go for food, and
And
that's it.
also, she comes to sleep. If she can't sleep, she hasn't slept very well in
Yeah,
her own house. Then from office, she comes here to sleep
sleep. Yeah.
on the sofa
Sweet.
outside. And then now I'll say, "Koi आवाज नहीं, kitchen में आवाज नहीं, कोई आवाज नहीं." Like that I become.
Sweet. Well,
All
Nina
mothers
ji,
are like
last
that.
question to you. All mothers are like that. I agree with you. Last question to you. ये जनाबे आली तो लॉ की पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. मसाबा अपनी ऑनलाइन बिजनेस को बढ़ा दे रही हैं. आप आपने क्या किया लॉकडाउन में? What is it that you worked upon? Any skill that you worked upon, or did you just chill? Thus far in the lockdown. Now you're back to work. I know.
I'm telling you, which I have not told anybody as yet. that I'm writing my book, which is almost quite done
Oh,
in the lockdown.
Oh wow! Revelation.
Very
वाह,
nice. Very nice.
exclusive
Very
हो
nice.
गया
Very
ये
nice.
तो. Wow.
क्या बात
Exclusive.
है.
Lovely.
ऋषिकेश.
That's wonderful. And that
किसी
requires
और
a
ने
lot
ये
of
क्वेश्चन
discipline.
पूछा ही नहीं था.
हाँ,
हाँ,
बात तो सही है.
ये ठीक है. मेरी किस्मत में
किसी
मैंने
और
पूछ
ने ये
लिया.
क्वेश्चन पूछा ही नहीं. हाँ.
No, no, but that's so difficult,
Yeah.
Nina ji. That's really difficult because you have to have that discipline of putting pen to paper or putting your to keyboard every day. Did you
Mhm.
set aside
Yeah.
time every day? Hmm?
नहीं, मेरा जब मूड होता था. It is all on mood because I'm writing about my personal things and I need to get into that mode. And because I was in Mukteshwar, there was, it was so beautiful. Like sometimes I used to record while walking, sometimes I sit on the bench outside. So sometimes I think of things while walking over there. So it was very interesting. Yeah.
Wonderful, and so interesting. For me to just be able to talk to you and listen to you guys. Thank you,
Thank
mother-daughter
you.
duo.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see the full series. Nina ji and Masaba and Neil. Lots of love to the family.
Brother.
Take care, bro. Bye bye. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
lots of love to
Thanks.
the
Thank
Thank
family.
you
you.
so
Bye,
Thank you
bye,
much.
so
bye.
much.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.